So I was finally at the scratching point. I was walking there. I didn't feel like anything was there. And I checked. It was there by a truck. So, it's at the terminal. So I saw whenever I get in the truck now. So, I shut down the terminal. And I got in the truck. And I left. I was wondering, maybe I can meet my brother. Maybe my other brother I had. Maybe he would understand. I think I should tell him the dark news. The car crashed. All I found there was a Glock and wrench. I guess I found a wrench. I was find. I found a Glock and a wrench. I found a flashlight in the car. And the thing broke. So I was wandering around the area. But then I knew something was here. I knew my brother lived over there. But then I noticed they were everywhere. Then they saw me. Nice. I was like, this is nice. Someone took me down. Knocked out. Again. Back to killing them all. With that dog again. Trying to kill them all. There's so many of them. So he saw if I ran into my brother's house quickly and just ignored them all. Maybe they would just leave. So I came around for a brother's house and I finally found it. My brother's house, and he said, "You look horrible. Go upstairs." My brother asked me, I looked horrible. Go upstairs. He said, "There's band-aids." So I went up there. I just wanted to check if anything was there. But it was just band-aids. As much as I needed. I went down there and asked Simon, "Are you seeing what I'm seeing?" He said yes. So he asked me if you can kill them all. Well, that's hard people around here, so they can help. So I said okay. I ran over to that position. Tell you how weak my bridge is. So these right there are so much stronger. They still look as bizarre as I used to. I kept asking myself, what happened to them? I had to go Princeton. It was done. So I came back to my brother's house. I said I killed them all. He said good. He'll go talk to the rest of them. Give me a few minutes, go rest. So I saw his bed, I went to sleep and he said, Brother, I found some pistol ammo for him. I said, thanks. And right now. Except for one. Found me so much. I said thank you, and he said, we have a visitor outside. He said he would like to talk to you. I was wondering who he was talking to, until I saw him. It was Brian. I asked him, you're alive? Yes, he said yes. He said, there are other colonists out there that need you. Will you go help me in saving them? I said yes. So he did. We walked over there. So, Brian said he would follow me. In case I asked him to truly. When we were walking down the corridor, we saw a van. Freaked me out so much. I was confused what he was doing. He looked so disordered and I tried to put him out of prison. There was another one. There was a second one. I was confused what these were, and he said just old people, tormented. Wheelchairs. I asked if they were handicapped. He said no, they were forced. We were walking more down when Brian said, look. I was wondering what they were or why they were there, but there was more of them walking the exit. We came closer to him, starting to was around them. But then they came running at me. I was wondering why they were punched back. I asked, is this the land of cripples? And he said no. He said, don't make jokes like that. I said, okay. He was like, help. But then he got knocked out. He said get to the civilization first. Waking up them. It was hard because I was confused what these were. Like, okay, that's enough. We were dead. I knew he was fine. He was just knocked out. I was walking over there to the civilization. I was at the building that Brian said it was. It's all civilians. I was confused why they were there. They said this is a civilization. I was confused why they said that one was just one building. As I said, check upstairs. There's supplies up there for you. I found it. It was kind of discarded in a line, but I was fine with that. Or pistol ammo, I said that's nice. Brian was there, so I was like, how are you here? He said, here's ways. I said, okay. He told me there's a place over there where there's more civilization. They're under attack. If you can save them, I will help you. I said, okay. And I noticed saying, there's a group over there. They're gonna be attacked by them, so I had to rush. Except the ones in wheelchairs. I noticed they were very slow for some reason. I said to protect them. I said I will. They were everywhere. I got knocked out for a few minutes. Weird, but when I got close to them, they deactivated again. One at least. I was confused why that ones were following. Well, when I got under sight, instantly activated. Poor wheelchair man was so worried. I thought I could shoot him off, but then they noticed me. I was confused if they were getting smarter or just common sense. I was going with just common sense. I was supposed to be very annoyed about spitters. They would spit at me from long distances. I got knocked out again. I got woken up again. Try to get rid of as quick as I can. And he was dead. All was left with 2 people. Still was confused why I didn't do it in the first place. They packed a bunch. I ran there because there was a medic asked and maybe he can heal me.
Let's go. I'm gonna stay and hold on this.
I asked him, he said no. Not until he was there. I said fair deal. I said, Brian said he wanted me to ask you if you wanted to join his clan. He said, they all said yes. They said they would follow me.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. Come on, everybody. Let's go.
That was necessary. So when we were walking back to the building, I didn't notice anything. The only one that actually followed me was the medic. I was wondering why, but then standing there, but then the other man came up and killed them all. He said we have to rush. But everyone shockingly warped to me for some reason. I didn't answer why. I said it was common sense. They weren't that smart. I don't know why Brian wanted to save all these fully not smart people. But he did for some reason. So we were walking over to the base. I told myself. Nothing bothered us. Had to warm up. I was confused like there wasn't anything in here. It was so peaceful. Next part will be soon. Bye.